Mukbang, bang, bang, bang. Mukbang, bang, bang, bang. Mukbang, bang, bang, bang. Bang, bang. Mukbang, bang. Mukbang, bang, bang, bang. Mukbang, bang, bang, bang. Mukbang, bang. Mukbang, bang. Mukbang, bang, bang, bang. Mukbang, bang, bang, bang. Hello, YouTubers. Hello, Mukbangers. What it is, where's that? Bring it back. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll love you long time. Hi, guys. How are you guys doing today? I am doing great. Anyway, I got some seafood Alfredo and salad. I'm about to dig in there, get it in, fill up my tummy, wummy with it. Yeah, I mean, son. Yeah, I mean. So, y'all, I'm still gonna do them challenges. My foot itching, the top of my foot, but I'm still gonna do those challenges. Miss Sugar called me out on the 2 times hot burrito. Yoni J called me out on the noodle one, 2 times spicy noodle, which I'm probably gonna combine those. Piccadale called me out on the whipped cream one. And I think that's it. And I'm still going to try to attempt to use the chopsticks. I think Anything Goes with Nicole did that one. So here on my Alfredo, y'all. My seafood Alfredo got broccoli. It got shrimp. It got scallops. It got tomatoes. It got mushrooms. It got Alfredo sauce. And I had to use spaghetti noodles because I didn't get any penne noodles. That's the ones I usually use, or some kind of other noodle than spaghetti noodles. But here you go. There we go. That's my thumbnail, like Miss Sugar thumbnail. You get a thumbnail on the nail. Thumbnail. Oh, look at that cheese. Oh yeah, I got some provolone cheese in there. So let me do some Alfredo. I ain't did the Alfredo video yet. There's a lot of stuff I ain't did yet, y'all. A lot of videos. I gotta get on it. Get in there. Anyway, y'all, let me tell y'all what happened today. Oh, it's a biscuit. A honey butter biscuit. And it's delicious. I can't get away from these carbs. My salad, tomato, cucumbers, onion, banana peppers, and lettuce. Y'all see that? I hope y'all can see it. Y'all be recording on my phone. I might get a camera one day. Let me tell y'all what happened. So, today I'm sitting there. I sit at this gas station. I wait for my kids to walk out. Well, now you're not, because Jalen is 13 and he going to middle school. Oh, Jalen's birthday just passed. He just turned 13. Y'all tell my baby happy birthday. Yes, he did. I forgot to tell y'all that. Okay, so I'm sitting at the gas station. It's not too far from the school. It's like right there. Like literally like next door to the school. So I'm sitting there waiting for them to walk out. And this car pulls up to me. And this dude, he was like, my window was like up, but it had like a little crack in it. And the dude was like, "Hey, you got a lighter?" And I shook my head. I said, and he was like, "Man, I ain't trying to rob you, and then I got money." He was like, "Look." Then he pulled out a whole bunch of money. He was like, "Look, I got money." I rolled down the window. I said, "Look, I don't smoke. I ain't got no lighter." I said, "I don't smoke. I ain't got no fire. I ain't on that." Like that. And he was like, "Oh, because I thought you thought I was trying to rob you or something."
I'm like, bro, I'm not on that. Because if he only knew that I got some fire, not the fire he asking for though. So I don't even know that. I don't want to worry about him robbing me. Most of the time, I ride around, and like I told y'all before, I have a permit. I ride around with a legal gun up on the knockdown. No lie. It was in one of my earlier videos though. I ain't know that. But he was tripping. I'm like, when you pull up, I'm like, no. You got all that money, can't afford a lighter. And you can go to the Dollar Tree and get a pack of them with like 4 or 5 in there. And boom, there you go. You rather ride around and ask people for a lighter. There could be a crackhead. I'm just playing. I be calling everybody a crackhead. I'm calling everybody a crackhead. And then I seen a girl. And I am janking her, but you know, I don't hate her. I ain't judging her. I just grew up around people that jank people, and that's what we do. We'll jank you and still hang out. It's fun. We'll jank you and hang out with you. You know? That's what we do. I don't hate nobody. I talk stuff all day. And what'd you do? Cause y'all like my family. You know, when you get around certain family members, you be wanting to goddamn. You be wanting to talk mess. So before anybody goes out, oh, you judge, I'm not. I'm thanking her. Cause it was funny. So anyway, yeah, it was good. I put my foot up in this thing. I ain't stopped chewing yet. I just been talking and chewing that biscuit. Man, that biscuit, oh my god. Handmade. Homemade. Psych. So brought like a mug. I mean, smelling up in this thing. Let me get on to what I was saying. So, I'm going with what I was saying. So, I seen a girl today. I mean, she just had on these long eyelashes. Like, y'all eyelids don't be like feeling like extra heavy and stuff. I don't see how y'all well. Like the natural ones, they cute. But man, she had on some long eyelashes. I just want to say, I just wanted to start making all kind of bird noises. No, like y'all probably think like some lashes are long, some of them are long, but they don't look bad. But hers was just like, hers was stupid long. I was like, boy, how? Why? What is it? Was she some kind of superhero or something with them eyelashes on? I don't know. I don't know. But I still love her. It was long. Like a year long. Long. So y'all, I'm almost to 1,000 subscribers. My goal was to reach 1,000 before the end of this month. That's just my goal I personally set with myself. Like, yeah. I always try to set a goal with what I'm doing. Oh yeah, y'all. I want to start giving away some of my herbal bath bags. There's some things that I sell with in my business. Which my business page is Decoration by Dais. Been doing it for a couple of months now. Things been slow though, right now. But once I start making more money, I can put the money into my business and start doing more stuff to advertise it. So I'm gonna let y'all go. This is good. I ain't even drunk none, y'all. I ain't even drink no juice. Delicious. I'm tired. I ain't even got no energy. It's 8 o'clock at night. Put the baby down before I did this video. waste all down my shirt. Yeah, straight out the jug. That's how you do it around here. I'm not ladylike. Mm. Man, I don't do that. I don't know that. Mind your business. Mm. Mm. Mm, mm, mm. I'm trying to see what I'm gonna be for Halloween and what pranks I'm gonna play on the kids. But my kids don't watch a lot of scary movies, so I'll dress up as something or get Anastasia dress up as something, and they probably won't know. But I said Annabelle. I'm gonna dress Anastasia up as Annabelle and hide her somewhere in here. I let the kids find her. I'm put some more thought into that. Scare the mess out of them. That's what I'm trying to do. Scare the bejesus out of them. But y'all, I am gonna let y'all go. I want to thank every single one of you that like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I appreciate you. I love you long time. And, you know, we ain't going nowhere but up from here. We ain't going nowhere but up from here. Everybody, all of us, we're going up. We're going to be up to the top. And we're going to take everybody up to the top with us. Because I'm a subscriber. I'm a subscriber. I subscribe. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna keep this video short and sweet. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Well, I love you long time. And until next time, I holla.